Nate from Frontline Eurosports Online, back with our parts manager today. That's Tiffani Leary here at Frontline Eurosports, and she's going to go over some new gear that we just got in here from KLIM.
Yes, we just got in the new Carlsbad jacket. We've got two color variations of the Badlands Pro. We've got it in tan and in gray. We do have more sizes of the gray coming in. They're currently on back order. We also have the Badlands PRO Pant to match. And then we have the Latitude Pant, which we will be getting in the Latitude Pant as well. Over here, Nate, we have the Krios Adventure helmet, carbon fiber, extremely lightweight. It's got the 10U Cena capabilities to go with it. It's a great looking helmet.
Yeah. And all this stuff just came in today, so it's fresh right out of the box, and there's a benefit to come down and see us today.
Yeah, we're open until 7 tonight, so you can get your holiday shopping in. If you come in tonight before 7 and purchase any of our KLIM gear, you'll get 10% off.
10% off, we just pulled it out of the box.
I know.
It's brand new.
Brand new.
But that's to celebrate us staying open late until 7 tonight, which today is, what, the 6th?
Yep.
So come down today, the 6th. We'll be here till 1900 hours, and you can talk to Tiffani, check out all the KLIM gear, get a good deal, and get yourself set up for winter riding apparel.
Sounds great. See you guys then.
Thank you.